Yeah, it's morning. Now it's time to get to work on this segment number 3, installment 3, phase 3, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. The deck is all put together, screwed down, ready to go, and now it's just a matter of assembling the greenhouse and getting it tied all down. It's a product by from Paul Ram, I believe is how you pronounce it, and they're the manufacturer, and it's a snap and grow is the outfit. We looked up and did some research on some of the best greenhouses for 2021, and this was ranked pretty high in terms of just great greenhouses. So we'll see how easy it is to put this thing together. It seems like it would be easy. Hopefully we can take a look at it. Obviously, if it's something you like, I don't have any, it's something you could look up. I'll put some information on it down below in the description. But yeah, so the deck's ready to go. Now it's just a matter of assembly. So for the greenhouse. So off we go. About a minute or so in, and debating already. Now is the time in the instructions where you gotta take this metal frame and zip it down to the base, to the flooring. My question to myself is, do I want to leave it here, or do I want to bump it up a little bit, maybe put some 2x4s underneath it? I think I'd really like to run something around the perimeter to zip it down to a little bit more, just to give it a little bit, I don't know, debating. Well, here's what I decided. Fatherly duties call, so we're going to wrap it up for today. I've got to do a little bit of tweaking and adjusting of the braces that go in between down the walls. They're not quite 100% right. It seems like in some places they're right, and I don't know, somewhere I got off, so I got to get back on track with that. Make sure that we're square all the way up and around. And once we're there, then we can go on to the next steps and continue on the progress. And tomorrow starts right now. Today's chilly, cold, overcast, drizzle and rain. So today, we're going to have some fun. Spit at you. So third day of work, bright and early. Let's get after it. So the question I'm sure I'm going to get is, why the pliers? Why not use a socket or something else? And the reason is simple, but maybe not so simple, but kind of like laziness, but not. The nuts are they're a 10 millimeter, and I don't have metric sockets handy. I looked at my socket set, and I've got an 15, 16, 17, 18. I've got an 11, I got a 12, I got a 9, an 8, a 7, no 10 can be found. So I didn't want to run to buy a set of sockets or a single socket and take more time away from the project, because time is in, it's rainy, and I want to get this sucker done. But unfortunately, we're at a bit of a standstill. I've got almost all of it done, but it's time to call it a day. I got some other things I have to do, other responsibilities. So, we've talked about that before. Anyway, so this one will go to 4 episodes. So in the next one, I'm going to finish this sucker up, get everything done, and maybe even put in a little bit of some tabletops and furniture and outfit it out a little bit. I also want to start on the front steps. So those are all things that will come in the sequence. So appreciate you watching, following along, like, share, subscribes, comments. Appreciate all the new people that are following along. It's always a journey. It's always interesting. But anyway, until next time, you have a good day.